Hello you gorgeous people of the interwebs, I hope you're having a fan-dabby-dozy day. By the time you watch this video, these will be gone. I really wanted this to be a styling video with these beautiful Gucci Chelsea boots, but that's not going to happen because I cannot get them on my feet. I don't understand it. These are a 37.5, you can see on the label there, and hubby bought me a 38 for our anniversary, for my surprise anniversary gift, and they felt a little bit too long. They felt a little bit boaty, my toe was a little bit too far back in the shoe for me. Felt like I was going to slide around a little bit. So we sent them back and got them exchanged for a 37.5. And when they arrived, I was super excited and I managed to get them on. Now, I don't know how I managed to get them on, and they were tight. The length was perfect, but across here was really super tight. So tight, in fact, that after wearing them for a few minutes and walking into the office to show hubby how they looked and taking them off, I had red bands going across the top of my foot. Both of my feet, in fact. So yes, super tight. I am gutted, and this is why I have always focused on handbags. Handbags always fit. If you're new to my channel, I am Gwenny and I love luxury in all of its glorious forms. If you love luxury in all of its glorious forms, then why don't you come and join? Join our little gang. Go on, hit subscribe and ring my bell. Be notified when I upload new videos every Monday and Thursday, sometimes on a Saturday as well. Don't forget to give the videos you enjoy the thumbs up love, and don't forget to follow me on Instagram. Now, I do have quite wide feet, but after trying on the 38 and the 38 being so comfortable, just a little bit too long, I thought, well, obviously these aren't skinny boots. These will be good for me. These will fit my funny little trotters. And no, not the case at all. And because I have wide feet, I invested in some shoe stretchers and boot stretchers some time ago. So I did. I've only got one boot stretcher. There was a misunderstanding with the Amazon product page. I thought I was getting two. One of the pictures of the yellow ones, it had two on there. The picture of the pink ones, it had two on there, but the pink ones were about £2 more expensive. So I thought, I've got the yellow ones for the shoes. I'll go for the yellow ones for the boots as well. And when it arrived, there was only one. And when I checked the listing, yeah, sure enough, it said only one would come. I don't understand how that works. But anyway, so I tried stretching this one, the right foot one, and I stretched it for 48 hours. I didn't go nuts with it because I didn't want to do any damage to the boot in case I had to send it back. So I stretched it for 48 hours and hubby came to watch me as I tried to put them on again, and I could not actually get, I don't know how I did it the first time. I got my foot into here and I couldn't get my heel past this bit, and I was like, eh! And we were pulling on the little pull tabs, and it was almost like this half size smaller was a good two whole sizes smaller. I don't understand the difference. Hubby has suggested that I reorder the 38 and then just see if it really did feel a little bit boaty or if it was something I could live with, but I don't know. This is the second pair we've had. Ordering another 38 is going to be the third pair we've had. So maybe I will do that just to see. Maybe we'll have a look and see if there's an alternative surprise anniversary gift that he could get for me. But I'm gutted. I am gutted for several reasons. I mean, that snake. I really want to leave little snake prints everywhere I go. I'm gutted because they're fabulous. They go so well with, where are you? Oh, it's still untidy up there. Yeah, you can't see the untidy bit, that's okay. It will go really, really nicely with my Marmont camera bag and so many other bags. My Saint Laurent puffer, Lulu puffer. And it just so different. And it would be my first pair of proper luxury house, like top luxury house shoes. So yes, I'm gutted. I was so excited to do the styling video for you. I picked out all my outfits. There was going to be a little floral frock in there. There was going to be some denim cut-offs with a funky t-shirt. It was going to be my biker jacket. Just all sorts of things. And I am genuinely gutted and genuinely really surprised at how different these sizes felt. Now, it's got 37.5 on the bottom. The other one had 38 on the bottom, but I didn't look on the inside at the sizes. Let me have a look at this one while I've got you here. I can't see anything on the inside that tells you what size this one is. So I'm just going to have to assume that the stickers on the bottom are correct. So yeah, what a disappointment. Little G's on it for Gwenny and everything. I do realise that this is hashtag very much first world problems, but I was so excited. I was so excited to wear these. So excited to style them, so excited to share them with you, so excited to rock them. I was going to rock them so hard, and now I can't. And I don't understand how I managed to get my feet in them when they first arrived, and I wasn't able to get my feet in them subsequently. Yeah, who knows? So I've got the booties here, I've got the box ready to go with the little individual dust bags in there. Really wanted a pair of shoes that comes with its own individual dust bags. I know. I've got the return label printed up. I've got the box with the beautiful lining. I've got the original delivery note and the thanks for shopping at Gucci card, which I don't feel like I can keep because I'm sending it back, so sending that back as well. Also going to send back the shopping tote, which I used on my recent shopping vlog that I shared with you guys a few days ago, and it was a great shopping bag. Now I'm going to send this one back because I was a little bit naughty and I didn't send the first one back when I sent the original pair of boots back, because I thought I'm going to keep hold of this just in case they don't send a replacement one with the exchange. So I've got two, and I feel like I would have kept them both under sort of fraudulent circumstances. So I'm going to pop this one back in the bag, and the other one is hanging up in the bedroom with my shopping stuff in that I still need to share with you, which you probably will see before you see this video, because no one wants to see a stale haul video 2 or 3 weeks after the shopping vlog. No one wants that. So these are being picked up in the morning, so I thought I'll film them now. Maybe by the point that this video comes out, I'll be able to do a little update and say what we're going to do next. Need to have a conversation with hubby. I may end up ordering these boots again in a 38 and to see how I get on with them. Handbags always fit. That's my big takeaway from this. Handbags always fit. I'm going to get this lot packed up and make myself a large gin and tonic. So it was a disappointment. It was a disappointing video, but you know, sometimes it's good to see the bad things as well as the good things. So from my perspective, at least, these are a little bit thin for my, a little bit slim for my wide feet. So now you know. If you've enjoyed this video nonetheless, then please do give it the thumbs up love, hit the like button, and until I see you, yes you, boop, for the next video, please, 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 please stay safe. Be kind to yourselves, be kind to others, stay fan-dabby dozy, and bye-bye.